Type 2 coolant. Just received my G Plus coolant hoses for the K series, and these are G Plus. They have like a 5-year warranty on them. And then I have some clamps right here. The thermostat is getting picked up from Honda tomorrow. Should be like 40 bucks. That makes one more thing I'm waiting for. One more thing. And then I know a lot of you guys told me like, oh, don't put this on your car. You know, obviously I get it. You're pretty much advertising what you have done to your car. But this thing is just so cool that I love the way it looks. I might put it on the FG2. So surprisingly, it's not even that cold out right now. Coming out to the rides. So I wanted to just fill you guys in on this past week, like why I really haven't been posting much. I know I've been slacking. Well, I started school up again, so I've been doing classes like Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then I've been trying to bang out the work on top of doing taxes, on top of doing YouTube taxes, which is a whole different story. And I've just been trying to get this thing going pretty much for the past like 2 weeks now. And since that other company screwed me over before, where I was supposed to get my radiator from, I actually canceled the order with them. Pretty much said like, you know, you guys are delaying my, you know, my content. I'm trying to push out content for people, and this is really affecting my schedule. So I said, you know what, cancel my order. And I went and I bought a different radiator. I know it's gonna be crazy. I can't wait for it to get here. So you guys are gonna be like, what? Like, so I went with a different radiator. It's still aluminum, still a dual core. So I'm waiting for that to get here. I ordered it on Monday, and it's already pretty much in. I think it's like in like the Carolinas or something. So I can't wait for that to get here. I'm hoping it'll be here by Saturday. Like I said in the house, I have to go pick up my thermostat tomorrow from Honda. So I went to go start this thing yesterday just for like, you know, whatever, just to see if it'll start up. Keep in mind, guys, this thing's been sitting for like a little while, but I've been trying to start it here and there. Definitely thinking it's battery related, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little trick. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna let it run, right? And I'm going to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery while it's running. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, like, I'm gonna disconnect the negative terminal of the battery, and what that's gonna do is pretty much tell me if it's my battery or my alternator. So if the car dies all of a sudden, it's most likely gonna be my alternator. All right, so here we go. Gonna remove the negative terminal while it's running. And the car is still on, so it's not the alternator, guys. So obviously this thing's been like sitting for a long time right now. Cold is just killing this battery. You know, if it's not already completely dead, it's probably on the way out. So just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a new battery probably this weekend as well. A new Die-Hard, because Die-Hard's pretty good. It's like 134 bucks for a new one. So I'm better off changing it now, because realistically, like, I don't know when the last time this battery's been replaced. And I'm pretty much at the mileage right now where, you know, I think everything's gonna start to show its colors. You know, I'm at 162K. I don't know the history of the car, so I'm thinking things right now are gonna start ending up like needing replacements and stuff like that. So it's cool, just as long as I have the time and the money. So like I said, radiator should be here Saturday. Crossing my goddamn fingers for the second time. So hopefully that will solve the issue, guys. If you have any suggestions on what you think is wrong with the car, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Maybe some of you guys have had this issue before, but most likely considering it's the age and the cold affecting the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a new battery, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.